everyone. I am Omsri. I am from Team 11, Kite AD section. Today I am here to discuss about the basics of database management system DBMS. Okay, first we are going to any topic or general purpose also. We have curiosity. What is DBMS? Like that. I also curiosity. What is DBMS? First we can divide data and base management system. These are the components in DBMS. Okay, coming to the topic, what is data? These are the questions. Don't be confused. I will explain. Okay, first, what is data means? Collection of raw facts. Some raw.
I am G. Abhishek from Team 11. Now I am going to explain the DBMS. DBMS is a database management system. In this, there is three keywords. First one is data, second one is database, and third one is a database management system. What we call data? Can anyone say? Can anyone stand from girls or boys? Then what is database? Data is a collection of information. Can anyone stand? Data means a collection of information in organized way. Database is a collection of related data. Means someone is related to the data. The data is collected from the previous. The previous data is collected means suppose think that there is a data from our students and another from another section there is also the students. The collection of data from the related that is called database. The database management system means the data which is collected that we have to retrieve or the means we have to manipulate or retrieve the data from the some database that we call the database management system. That in this database management system we have it stored in a structured way. The structured way is called the architecture of DBMS. The architecture of DBMS we can modify in the three types. First one is one tier, two tier, and three tier. The one tier application is called a single server application. When we call this is a single server application, the application which we have using from interference, modification, and the backend data, this all included in a particular part. Suppose for example we can take our mobile phone. This is called single server application. Why? Because we can use our data and we can access our data only within my mobile only. I can access my data from my side only. You cannot access my data which is having in my mobile. For example, think that I am having some data about my information and my photos and my something related to me is in my phone. You cannot access, you cannot modify or you cannot retrieve the data which was I am having. That is called a single server application. That is called one tier application. This will is used in a means you can use in a means in a what we call in a manager stores or kirana shops means it's a small kirana shop we can use this application. Why? Because the application we are using the small kirana shop we having some products means that is called less products and the data which is having this we can use in our laptop also. The data which is having that is less data you can access data within the products, so you can use one tier application. The next one is the two tier application. The two tier application is called client server application. Why we call the client server application means the client is accessible to use the application within the data. Means that the client is directly access the data, we can retrieve the data and modify the data. For example, we can see our student portal ID. I can access everyone portal means I can know your data. What is your name, roll number, and what's your present days, how many days you have present or absent, how many subjects you have backlogs or anything. That is called student portal ID. That is called client server application. You can access the data, but you cannot modify, you cannot do anything the data within the data. The data which is having this called means you can access the data. Sir also access the data from anywhere. You can sit in his home and you can sit in home or anywhere to access the data to retrieve the data. This is in this there is so many disadvantages because anyone can access your data means it is a loss of your process means. think that your attendance is very low. Suppose your attendance date is 30 days and you got a 10 days only. If you want to modify that, if you modify, then management will lose the detection fee. So you cannot this application having disadvantages of scalability and priority and the scalability means we cannot increase the scale or the size of the data or the server which is having. The servers having some limit of data. We can store the limit only. We cannot store the within the limit or we cannot extend or we cannot detain. We can use the same application as a single model unit. And third one is the 3-tier application. This application is having the 3 types. First one is interface and middleware and backend. The backend data we call as a database. The base of data which is storing in the backend data, and interface we can use the HTML or anything. And middleware, this is application of any process of Python in a language. Suppose think that there is an application of your Instagram ID. You are logging to the web application and you can having the login portal ID, means you having your email ID and password. This is called means you can, if you want to access your data, your particular data, you have to put your email ID and your password. You cannot use your data. Means if you want to be access your Instagram and if your friends, no one can access your data, because if you want to be part of this accessing your data, means you can modify the data or you can do all the things what you want to do and retrieve all the data within the time. This is they will do the accuracy, performance, scalability. We can increase the data or modify the data. Suppose your Instagram ID is there. For girls, they are using private account. Private account means if you want to allow others to use your data or to see your photos, that is your personal. That is called accessing your data within a permission. So that is called the 3-tier application. This is main. The 3-tier application means everyone want to use because of the security. This 3-tier application has the more security and the performance that do in the accuracy way to do this. So everyone using this 3-tier application. Structure as an algorithm 3 types. So everyone want to use them. Everyone want to be secure the data. No one want to be allowed to see the data, see the information, what is happening, what messages. And so this is the process. The architecture of DBMS store the data in a secure manner. Thank you.